Okay, today we're going to do an unboxing of this Moza Air I just got from Amazon, and we will be unboxing it and doing some test footage with it. So here it is, like this, just coming in the package. The package box looks pretty well, and it's not damaged or anything. And open it up like this. Comes with a really nice hard case. And when you open it, there's a surprise in there. So I'll open it like this, and here it is. Comes with a few manuals, the user manual, and some other tips and stuff here. And then after underneath here comes everything that you need. So first, here is the actual gimbal. It's really well built, it's really high quality, it feels really great. Here is an accessory mount, so you can add monitors, lights, and whatever. I'll get to that later. Here is the thing where you put the batteries into with the tripod mount on the bottom. And the tripod is right here. You screw it on like this. And the batteries are right here. Comes 3 Moza Air batteries. Pretty well wrapped there. You go like this and drop them in with the negative side down like this. And then the gimbal, you put it on right here and just screw it on like that. And then you can put out these tripods. They're really nice for especially like balancing it like this. Okay, then next there is a package with cords. This one is for the Sony A series, and then this one is just so you can charge the charger right here. I'll get to that in a moment. And then this one is for Panasonic GH, and this is a mount for the lens so you can get heavier lenses on it and stuff. One more cord in here. This is for the Canon DSLR there. And then here's a charger. This charger is a pretty nice big one. It can hold 3 batteries. And then here's a dual-handed mount, so you can put it around the gimbal and then hold it with 2 hands. And it also comes with 2 poles that you can put on the sides right here of the gimbal and tighten them down like this. And then last of all, there is a quick release place so you can attach it to your camera and mount it on the gimbal. So let's get the camera and put it on the gimbal. Okay, now we will balance the camera right here. Get the camera over here, and then we will put this quick release plate on here. I have a screwdriver right here that I use. It did not come with a package, but I had an extra laying around, so I just use this one. Gotta make sure it's nice and straight. There. And then on the gimbal, when you balance it, go like this, you set it on here, hold it with one hand. Actually, it won't fit on, so what you have to do is there's this bottom plate right here you can move up and down. So I'm going to just set it right there. And then I'll try to set this on. Looks like I need to move it out a little further. I'll just put it right there. So there's a good little gap between the camera and the motor. So tighten it here, and it goes down. So what we'll do is get this thing on the quick release plate, pull it backwards here, tighten it. When I hold it, it still goes down, so I just need to pull it back a little further. Now it goes back a little bit, so that's pretty close, but I'm going to do a little forward, here, forward. Now that's balanced. Now for the tilt axis, it's right here. We will go like this and let it go. Now that it goes forward, we'll go like this and push it towards me. Let go, and it stays perfect. So we'll tighten there. And so it's good. Now for the roll, it definitely goes like that. So we will go like this and unscrew it and push it this way. Now it goes too much back. Okay, now that it's balanced this way and this way, we will balance the yaw axis. So first, I like to lay it on my knee, and then you go like this. Then when you let go, this thing goes down. So we will unscrew right here and push it this way a little bit. When we let go, still goes down, so push it a little more. Now it stays about right. So we'll tighten it. Make sure all the screws are tight. Just like that, so now that's perfect. Now, to power it on, all you have to do is, I'll turn it this way, hold it down for about 3 seconds, and it'll turn on. Then, you can go like this. Feels really comfortable, it's not slippy or anything. And you can put these down if you want. And I will go ahead and show you how to add this on. Put it over there. Loosen a little bit. That. Tighten it again. And you can adjust these however you want. I'm just going to do it up and down. That. And this one I would do like that. And then, ta-da! There you go, you can hold it like with 2 hands. So just in case if you're holding it with 1 hand and you get tired, you might want to do 2-handed so you have a little more control or something. And also, I'll show you how to use this thing. It's a thing that you can put monitors or lights on or whatever you need. You can attach it right here, you can attach it over here. I'll attach it right here for now. Pretty heavy duty, it's all metal, and you can adjust it however you like. And then you can put something like this on so you can always have recorded audio like that. Now that I've unboxed it and showed you a few features, I will go show you some test footage. Okay, today we're at the famous Atlantic City Boardwalk, and so what we're going to do is be doing some test footage on the boardwalk with this gimbal. So I'm going to show you the modes on the first one, so let's go and do it. Okay, so now what we'll do is hit the top button once, like that, and that will do pan and follow mode. And so as we go, like that, we can pan and it'll follow like that, but it won't go up and down. Okay, the next mode now is the tilt and pan follow mode. So when you go like this, you're walking, you can tilt down or up and left and right, and it won't tilt this way when you go left and right. So that's what that's mode for. And then there is the next mode called all lock mode. There, you hit it 3 times, and no matter which way you go, it'll always stay locked. Okay, the next mode now is roll mode, where if you hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, then you can go like this and get some neat roll footage like this. There. Okay, the next mode is we're going to go to the power button mode, where if you hit it once, it'll start recording, but you have to have a cable hooked up right there. It came with it, but I'm not using it for this demonstration. And the next one, you hit it twice, it'll take a picture. Same thing, it has to have a cord. And the next one is hit it 3 times, and I'll do a recenter. So say I go like this and bring it down, and hit it 3 times. It'll just automatically recenter it. I forgot to mention though, but if you hit the power button 4 times, it allows you to pan like this, and hit it 4 times again, and this time it allows you to roll. And then any time when you want, you can always flip it upside down like this, so you can get some neat walking footage like this. maybe some other footage like this right here, or you can go right here and all right there. That's my cameraman for today. Okay, now that I showed you all those modes and features, I will be just showing you some test footage. So here we go.